Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice Fix. And in this video I am going to show you a very special tool. In my opinion, all DIYers and automotive enthusiasts should be having this tool. Now what are the different uses of this tool that I will show you in this video, and I will also share with you its benefits. My name is Raisen and welcome to my channel. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. Now this tool has 4 sides. Now why these 4 sides are there and what is their use, that we'll see now. So the first thing that I will do is I will take out the cap from the tire valve. Once I take that out, let's bring in the tool and let's check it out. And here is the tool. So the first function of this tool is, if you are replacing the valve of your tubeless tire, once you pass the valve through the tire rim, and as you can notice on this tool, there is a thread on the inner side, this side. So you can thread in this tool on the tire valve easily like this. So once you tighten it like this, you can hold this tool with the 2 fingers and pull the valve out like this and put it in position. So this was the first function of this tool. Now the second function of this tool is, as you guys can see, I'm talking about this part now. This part is used to take out the core stem from the valve. You will have to put this part inside of the valve like this, and you will have to turn it. And with that your core stem will come out. And once this comes out, all the air which is there inside of the tire will come out from the tire. If your tire is with tube or without tube, to deflate it, you will have to take this out, and without the correct tool, you can't take this part out. So this is the main function of this tool guys, that is to remove the core stem out so that the air from the tire comes out completely. Now if you look at it closely, then when you put this part inside of the valve, it will sit on top of the core stem like this, and once you turn it, it will unthread like a screw and it will come out. So this is the second function of this tool. So come on, let's move on to the third function of this tool. And the third function of this tool is this side. As you guys can see, there is thread on the outer side of this part. So why there is thread on the outer side of this part? It is there because sometimes the inner thread of the valve on which the core stem locks in, that thread gets spoiled. So when you thread this part in, if the inner thread is gone out of shape, then it will come back in shape. So you will have to thread in this part inside of the valve. So turn it and put it inside completely. Once you do this, the inner thread will come back in shape. And the second use is, once you thread in this tool like this, you can even use this to pull a new valve out from this side like this. So this was the third function of this tool. So before I move on to the fourth function, if you want to buy this tool, then I will put a link of this tool in the description below. This will be an affiliate link. If you buy this tool from this link, then I will get some % of commission on it. So let's move on to the fourth function, and the fourth function is, and as you guys can see, this side is kind of pointed. It is pointed because sometimes something gets stuck inside of the valve, or if you want to release the air from the tire, then you can put this inside the valve and push the core stem to release the air. And if you have taken out the core stem, then you can use this part to clean the inner side of the valve if there is something stuck inside by turning it like this. So these are the 2 functions of this last side. It is a very important tool guys. It is kind of a must-have tool. If you are a DIYer or an automotive enthusiast, then you should be keeping this tool. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen signing out. Until we meet again.